Want to speak real Chinese from your first lesson? Sign up for your free lifetime account at ChineseClass101.com. You are at a lost and found office at a train station where you're hoping to retrieve a wallet that you've lost. The staff member presents you with a form to fill out. What information do you need to fill out to complete the form? What information do you need to fill out to complete the form? The form states that you need to fill out your name, address, phone number, and a description of your lost property.
姓名、地址、电话、失物描述。
You are on a platform at a train station where you've been waiting for your train. It appears to be running late. Suddenly, a message appears on the display. What does the message on the display mean? What does the message on the display mean? The display reads, "Train services on this line have been canceled due to an accident on the train tracks. We apologize for the inconvenience."
由于轨道事故原因，此条线上的列车停止运行，因此造成的不便，我们深感抱歉。
You are at a train station where you're trying to reserve a seat on an express train using a ticket machine. A special notice is posted on the machine. Which option should you use to reserve a seat on the express train? Which option should you use to reserve a seat on the express train? The notice says that you should go to the counter if you would like to reserve a seat on an express train.
若需预订特快列车座位，请至柜台购买办理。
You've just arrived at your destination and you're attempting to exit the train station. Unfortunately, the exit you usually take is blocked by some ongoing renovations. A signboard is posted informing you of another route. How should you proceed? How should you proceed? The sign tells you to go to the other side of the platform and walk in the opposite direction. Take the escalators up to the second floor and turn right and take the east exit.
到站台的对面，往反方向走，搭乘手扶电梯上2楼后右转，走东出口。
You are at a train station reading a leaflet that you found at the train station. The leaflet is advertising a new shopping center that just opened. How do you get to the new shopping center? How do you get to the new shopping center? The leaflet says that you can use Platform 4 or Platform 2 on public holidays to get to the new shopping center.
4号站台，逢周日使用2号站台。
You're reading an event guide and are going to see an upcoming art event. What does the guide say about bringing food to the event? What does the guide say about bringing food to the event? The description reads that if you bring your own food or drinks, they will be confiscated.
如果您携带自己的食物或饮料，将会被没收。
You're planning to buy an instant meal. How much water do you add, and what do you do once it's added? How much water do you add, and what do you do once it's added? You add 100 milliliters of boiling water. Wait 3 to 5 minutes, then stir the contents.
加入100毫升沸水，等待3到5分钟，然后搅拌。
You're at the clothing store and want to try on a few shirts. How many items are allowed in the fitting room? how many items are allowed in the fitting room. The notice says that a maximum of 3 items per customer are permitted inside the fitting room.
每位顾客最多允许带3件衣物进入试衣间。
After paying for your shirt, you notice the return policy is printed on the receipt. What items are excluded from the return policy? What items are excluded from the return policy? The sentence means, please note that all sale items are excluded from this policy and are non-returnable.
请注意，该规定不适用于所有促销的物品，促销物品不可退货。
With your receipt, you also received a coupon. Where do you have to present the coupon? Where do you have to present the coupon? It says, present this coupon at the counter at the time of purchase to receive a 20% discount off all items.
在柜台结算时出示此券，即可在任意商品上享用8折优惠。
Want to speed up your language learning? Take your very first lesson with us. You'll start speaking in minutes and master real conversations. Sign up for your free lifetime account. Just click the link in the description.